What's going on, guys? This is Kedar here. So many people are connecting to the CSGO network. So CSGO is not working. Today in this video we'll be checking out the latest details, what people are talking about it, the latest updates regarding the game. So without further ado, let's check it out, all the latest information. What's really going on with the CSGO servers? Are they down? When they will be going to come back? Today we'll be going to check out the latest updates. So without further ado, let's jump right into all the details. Alright guys, so right over here you can see onto the Twitter. Check this out, 36 seconds ago, connecting to the CSGO network. Connecting to CSGO network. What's really going on? Just open CSGO and servers are down. So definitely CSGO servers are down. Tons and tons of people are getting CSGO connecting to the network. For this moment at least. So do let me know what kind of error are you getting. Is it the same one? So CSGO is not working. Alright guys, so right over here you can see the CSGO is down, and we can verify this right over here onto the down detector, and here you can see just recently about 937 outage report. That's a really serious one. Check this out, how many people are playing CS2. Servers are down, CSGO servers down. How long? Tons and tons of people are getting CSGO connecting to the network. Right now we can see the Counter-Strike is facing a major outage. Alongside there are tons and tons of other services. So let's check it out. Do we got any latest update right over here from the CS2 Twitter official page? Well, here you can see guys, this is the recent tweet just 58 minutes ago. Check this out. Face it, Counter-Strike. CSGO, you'll forever remain in our hearts. So what's really going on guys? This is kind of a mysterious tweet. You could say 1 hour ago we got Counter-Strike global offense. Thank you for everything. And what they are doing, is it a farewell? Is it going forever? What's really going on? This is kind of a serious thing and funny at the same time. So guys, honestly this is too much mysterious. Do let me know if you got any clues over this one. This is the recent tweet just 59 minutes ago. Whatever is the latest update I just showed you. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.